Mr. Lamondez, for the purposes of an introduction.
Mr. Speaker, I rise to recognize Mr. Paul Gasparini, candidate for New York State Board of Regents from the 5th Judicial District. Mr. Gasparini is a Syracuse native who's retired from the state public school. He's a retired state public school administrator, having served more than 25 years, most recently 21, as the principal of Jamesville DeWitt High School, from which he retired in June 22, and which my daughter just graduated from. He served as the secondary school principal representative to the National Assessment Governing Board from 2018 to 22, and he served on multiple New York State Education Department committees, including the Assessment Advisory Committee and the Regents Examination Work Group. His honors include being named the New York State High School Principal of the Year in 2012 by the School Administrators Association of New York State. Paul is educated in the New York State public school system and received his BA and MA in history from the University at Albany. He currently serves as principal at Christian Brothers Academy in Syracuse. Most importantly, though, are the character traits he brings with him to his life's work: integrity, honor, and loyalty to those whom he serves. Mr. Speaker, if you would please honor Mr. Gasparini with the cordialities of the House.
Certainly. On behalf of Mr. Lamondez, we welcome you here, sir, to the New York State Assembly. We extend to you the privilege of the floor by behalf of the Speaker and all the members. We certainly appreciate the work that you've done ensuring that our children are educated in all of the roles that you have played. Please know that you appreciate it, and hopefully you will continue that work as you move on. Thank you so very much. You're always welcome here.